Hello, my people. Good evening, everyone. Waya wakojo wabeba u. Iwie donu zomo, iwie donile. Waya wabota, wabebe nege kaige. Almighty audio. No wahia, wede magwa kaige. Ogi agbe no ma. Isalobarerogi. Ijo. Inuata. E social media moiren. Almighty audio. Ogi agbe no ma. Ogi mami. Ogi mami. Biebo mi. Ina we. Almighty audio na. Nana igwamie. Ma ya wagbe yogbere. I told you no ladian. I told you na ma emi eva moderna no ladian. Nagina wagbe yogbere. We are wase dian ya viku kwa. Ya wagbe yogbere. Ya gagbe nyana bo. Igbe nyano we. Ina we. Egbe bueno ma o. O come. Me ma bege mi okpa no rugo dio na ni me ma bege mi okpa no rugo dio na because when me ya go dio na no de ade ni when me ho se me ma bege mi okpa be bani o se agba be ro ani mi wagi de we discuss here. This is just a normal conversation between two friends or more. Me ma bege mi okpa no special who we almighty audio na ni no wa do ye ne ona iguna wa we platform me aviku kwa no pa mo we platform me amwe music yo agigbe yo gbere no me invite me ne no rugo audio. It's just a conversation I see between two friends or more people, you know, having conversations, discussing together. Me ma bege mi okpara mi no rugo audio amaka weri ya koko ya gbaru pa wa we nagi ya mo ya kila o eri ya plan be na ya gba ko ma be na ya lo ma de dan me ma bege is just a normal gossip which can happen to anybody within friends. No he wants egbe boy social media waga gbere wo runda wa yani wagbe yo gbere na ni rundo dio na rundo mighty audio na ni wa ya do ka me ni awe o ma no record audio na ni audio runda me mako na audio me mako na audio he it's just a normal talk. It's just a normal talk because I say where you must only talk about yourselves. No, there are other issues, especially where on social media, where maybe so what's so special about that? What is new in this audio? Am I planning am I planning where me dana yauda man nene mano ogiana gari megme so ne ikunu wagi via yo tot kwa ni awe nu wani gbe yo gbere na ni music ga deviri nu waya gbe yo gbere na ni uwa hedo ka me ni awe o ma no record audio na ni awe uwa he ati do trusted na kwe nu wage kwe waya ikpo beva ijo eni nu waga kpo beva ne nu waga temi no uni we no do ya recordi wa temata ma gbugwa runda we ka do ka mi meni awe o mana nu we akpo bona na ne awe tu we ado I trusted we na we. Good evening my sister Holy Ghost speaking Zion. Okay, ya gbo wa ya viku kwa ran viku kwa viri ya gagbe yo gbere I told you I told mighty no ladian o ko me ma bege mi opa It's not mandatory where when people are gathered. Even Eric Beaveje, Eric Beaveje, you must have one or two things to talk about, which is not necessarily about yourself. It's just a normal thing. Imami na gbebana, imami na gogobana, o manu wagbo duwe kinani anwe nu wabado yasi ekegbe no, tu wahe do trust runda o hafiave amu wato bugwa we even wave gwe gwana ne aneve a record wa. Nu wane temata ma gbugwa. Wa temata ma gbugwa because egbe mi be ni ana Emma Erioni la diabete rionia, odio na kwe na ya dole doji. No ya moge monika ve lolove eva seni, ya pa ni aga ruwodioni. Ya mwegbe merie dosi, ya mwegbe stainless, koma wano, na idomie we, aseno gbe rani we, hiate across a boundary, kere, we mi kemi na gido we, na ya yeve no rioza, dievo na kereni. Ya fefefe a kugbe ne maru wodio ni maru ni ya kwabe munya go e gossiping no wana mi no gossip wa ke a igbe yo gbere nene manani anu wa pobo lele na ni anu wa pobo na ni agwa temi ni auna geti ya ti record wa to bu wa no tu wa ya we no wa do trust egbe ma be oni because this is just a normal thing. The only thing where a gossip in aga give a bungbe every man. Munda bi agoti ma wo do ni baba we gwan kan. Gele okeke inwune gboma na o kakabo we amo ma gbona. But it's just a common thing, it's a normal thing. It's a normal thing. You understand? When I said it, don't come in many words, where there must be, some time that you will have other people's issues, people's affairs you discuss about. All right? When you do to work, Benny, only a carona, no, what I got Bobo Jimmy down. Emma, what I got supported me that one, me that what I condemn me. Wahon Rudania bene modio na noke wa isunu ni o almighty audio ladian o wa mi vie wo be we no bi do a record egbe error bere mi mana ena unyi me no keke hie ena unyi me no keke so no when the gossip began to agree, where never do I more my day where only a give one homaji. Only okba, awe or ma, no ma be as you bo kiri. So pa, me ma bege mi okba re mana. Ma bege, ni meke damene no dio no di agenia. Mumwa bo bare rockba. It's just a common talk. A normal talk. And I want with music, you are big your berry hey, I tell me near wo, I tell me not by wo, he ma beg me up by running. He ma beg me up by Eri Almighty 82 audio me ladia, one am we go audio na when I have dole woman, Gina ya dole do ye when a me down, a me came in no day, no ma ye no kuyani. Na ya e book way wa, go. The same thing. Waware jina iwede den wa fi wedi na. Na ina wa mi down wa pobo lele. Even wa bi ka mo ma no wo di ona mi awe mi no na ge to wa gba na ni a conversation met you na yo na de audio na myself almighty. Okay, this is just a conversation. Audio peru we mana. Who come? Thank you, Rosemary. I see. Oh, why ya we bege? Aya boy nedu. Idu wa mai mi wana gi record wa kege ade waga ha we nu waita Ye magbe we Facebook now. Send na ya fe. Ah. Oh, man, star boy. God teme mi ya ye. Aya wa bota. Inwina mighty audio when ma dogun kan he set it along. Is all boy. Emi agbon wa gun kan as presenters why only ya gun kan. Nu wala ogogo wa gbere yin bo. Wa gbere yin bo. Ge na ma o ma gugu agun abani an wa iwo ma re. Mete we mede de say ye nemi. We mi opani me ami da yi wo audio na no de ade ni ave na ye pe se ni ana. Me na ka wo na audio. It's a conversation. It's not even a gossip. You understand? Ronda me mami mi opaye re la de avonia. So Emma o wala wo ibi edo wa fi nyi megwedie. Wala ho. Wadamio. Wa mi ne ma o kake wa condemn e na bado akpobo. Oh my darling. Eva ko wa bota. Wa ya wa bota go gi agbe no ma ge. E battery me no pate me o ye no me fault. So ya te when e ma ti yo. You know, but there's not really much to discuss about here. Just where emi no mama man. Yes, so I know I just say bota waya wa bota there. Oh, to agbe. Why wa jo wo ma mo wa ya mo ebono to gbo wa. Emi o pariwo di ona. Heavy raw, normal talk. Normal talk. So it's just like that. The only thing where money record because meanwhile where a gossip anywhere every man in the sense where maybe or Timmy Dory I mean so on. But nevertheless, man what you ye can waki with. It's not enough for you to say somebody came out accusing you. You can equally come out to say, where my man webe tamime. How you know taveri oninia? Or tago tagie? Or tiebone ravijo tiene or tiebone wo tiene wurigbe. It's as simple as that. En wege wa yoni yagbahoi, we or wa ufiem. When we are doya, when we do ya attack, you know, it's very bad. Okay. Oteme Julie Andrews score. When bunch of illiterates are involved in issues, it end up like this. What do two friends do? It is waste of time. Yes, so good evening, my sister. It was a conversation. Okay, favor. Where it was a conversation between two friends. Which one choose to record it? That was so bad. Very bad. Very bad. The person that record is always at fault. You understand? It just be like this boy that day, that scammer. That scammer. Now I deal with past that woman. Because me, I don't even deal with that woman myself because to me it's just a mistake. Which nobody is above mistake. Nobody is above mistake. Nobody is above temptation. Oh, I don't get record on one very only. Not buy. Okay, can work few anywhere with because such a person or many other way no ya wicked you or tin where man. Huh? Meanwhile, when we record on my get to where I don't pay Latin. In matter de to we recording my way, we will go to that extent of playing it out, and that person will be so free with you, telling you his or her mind. Meanwhile, we agbe na badomi en we tayo very ordained when I record in iban no we ata also running. O when a time anota say wano we can we ata oh here sonny gele. So when I get to we record anywhere but do I even innocenti. very bad. Come and no. You understand? What feel with ye? What feel you me dana with ye man? Such a person can even go to the extent of killing no. Yena one opportunity ni. So no wala go. What have your boy involved? Emma ye. Emma. Imagine all those audio I recorded that time. Immediately I blocked that person. I deleted my own side of it. Then I blocked any area chat head. And then I deleted all our conversations. So it's too bad. It's too bad. Oma wa attack we attack back. A social media agenda. Oh, one of our auto. Even though ya tie bono nu we tie na were gbe. All right? We tie ne. Alright, what ye bo give it ye ni vie were gbe. Eri oge rita na ya dedo. Oka la jona tie bono give. Ina we la jena mugboge. All right? Ewa titive derebe mana. Unuke ka wabe ya gwegon abo oge first lady ni. Me wabe go wabe la jon wabe mwe bogbogi bi me. Ina wabe daladian. Eribe ya so am gbogi bi. Aina do mi agi sete ina do delete all those videos. YouTube no ko ya mo ina when you have delete here. So idio wa say en we yo ni ya gba ko mani we edeno iwa pen. When mioni do ya I attack Although she knew what she was doing, she has planned this whole thing long ago. Onye me nok basha. Onye me nok ba gunta egba ma be oni nia. Even neni ani o awe ya be ba bobo yo enia. We am ye we ohin o be do amweni. Ohin mani record wa amwe Dame undermining when he made where not a ya when I ya dole me so ye or nigaki. Kaga nigikba. Me I got where any presenter go or anybody. No you want ye me. Ije. I megi kemeta. And the rije be awe we no dioni o. Ije be a kemeta. Iga beme. Ina we hunda. Ega ni audio ma te wabe poveri oni. Egbe. Kaga nigikba. O we mi okpa awo ma o give ya one. Oh, hagi muime. When me aya go ma go I freely. Iye when he record you. Iwae. O ma we vie ni I record. O age me so. What ma wa me boy ati egbe very oni. So ma me aya we go go. O ye me ni ye we kin egbe. O ta me o. Wa no. Ma because o ho mani o do amwe mani. Buye time mani. Namio, when I what did the when what the renania ye bow way, what is said the very old ham we are. Okay, go back where we gay. Yeah, when I go, you might have a recording. So it's very bad. In a way, I'm with bomber, both on him there. Well, John Lover did the same thing. Too, but today nobody wash her again. Of course, now people go to fear now. People go to fear. People go to fear, or you go post somebody address as she still doing at that time. Any other person like me now, I want to come buy something online now with from some presenters. I dey fear. I dey fear. You know me saying that she was doing at that time, and I go still doing them again. No? You don't know. People's hearts. That's why the Bible says, it said the heart of a man is desperately wicked. You understand? So we need to be very careful. But meanwhile, for other people where they never still do this kind of a thing, more than not they do. It's not good. Oma what ye born with ye nail wobby na cave voma. When ye have we told me, no we are very ladian. Ni a tie self where one ladian you know your tie. You tie your man like be. You wear tie. Understand? Only your one man. Or any egg where you know where you're tiny. But over where your dad or your ladian. Even my sister, my brother. Oh, I work here while I'm way, it will take a while before people can get over it. experience is the best teacher. Yes, so it's the best teacher. Ijo adimeno emi opa u megbafa. I ohemi mu megbe. Ijo ohemi mu megbe. Wano. So that's just that. It has happened, but next time, that dog am you understand? The dad dog am that kuwe o man we ku gba gossip ni. O ho nu we do e ma bege mi pa nu we ado ha mi me. We o manita yi megbe na do mi e we owo man do mu meso we no record. Error. Ije o wa mani amu me o so pa we no waro no record ni o hu we hia wa amu me o ma no tell me ni ji megbe ni o we etin mu me but o we no ro o we dem me o ha wo hia wa amu me ide o wa say oh patso we it's just unfortunate now my other child have just went bad. He had to win in my SOT. Understand? But still, I'm seeing your comments. So by tomorrow morning, here no, Emma, Tom, me what prefer. We are telling my man, you know, doge where no wedo tanya me or boy damage be. E wabi till Latin where you tied up. Anywhere where on 1 hour on a wedo. Me I get where maybe when we do ya disgrace many is too much. You know your time. And there was the essence. I mean, why would you go to that length of recording somebody? Funny, I saw myself, my phone of it was I think almost 400, 399 something. But still, that phone was not recording on its own. But I can have an automatic record phone. When the phone in the medeva sending me no gun save again. You understand? O my have automatic record. Emi no wrong my call no. Emi no wrong my call Emma. Becky. Ijo bagiaita egbe wemeteme eikuni mebege e ma wa vikukwa e yaga gbe yogbere ye atemi no sunu no oh meti na mi o si ene ma so na ka we metile mi wa o me ni meti emi no ma se mi na sa lo bo ala gogo a presenter wado te topic no ma okay la gogo unda do we topic nene ma so na ve ka we la wa na ve ka na ni la so wa gbe yo gbere ofo gi no kwa ve gbian o foga hiye kwa by Almighty here salobo amenogi wala obuyi no me that intention of recording people why damwege why did they wear understand at all me why prefer no why you know ya mo bog boma than that is a very wicked act. And we are when badosiru koto na bado akage one innocent yoreva we want to knock by talk only my get to we record they me no wabe where maybe na do ya restaurant or ban if me no matter keke na do taladian or mani o wabe do taladian very only Away mama lie, no phone that is automatic record. Yeah. If we made there for almost 400 euro nenya, I think that was about last 2 years. 390 something you know Kenya. On my record on its own. And they happy now you near we have a record in a man where your phone made the dementi. Mama you're there. But I record the game of a WhatsApp now. And immediately I know that I want to block such a person. Me I wa block any warrior chat head, you wa delete. Me go give my ya save you bonokba. You understand? Because I know where once I'm done with that person, in fact, I have nothing to do with that person again. So, no. Wala wogo ge mano gbe yo gbere la wogo du kwa mami mi u wa ya gwa le topic oga ku e yo to nda me ma bege mi pa na gbe yi we mana ni la wogo o ma ti audio no ma audio na wa ge o wa ya wa we se ge akwa even no wa we say thank you so much. It's a recording app. I know there's a recording app, but I've never used it once. Yeah. For what? In fact, with all the things where I get to do, you know, and lots of things even that you want to see on YouTube, you go just go say a recording app you want go they look for to put for phone. You get that time. I know Becky Moore said, I know she would be regretting it by now. Because after this recording, I believe it's some people will run away and she will start hustling for viewers. Later, they will start saying it's witchcraft. That's it now. Not even the viewers. Maybe some viewers will still choose to remain. But, you know, trust no go day. Trust no go so much day like that. So that's one thing. It's just that the mistake is done already. Why are doing it? Oh, Latina, understand? Oh, you know your time. You know time in case of any other time. Just of any other time. That's just that. I know. So if you download the app, it will now start recording all calls. But why would somebody want to get that kind of a app? To do what now? Even this thing like crime mode, you know, I still go remember, I forget what thing that they call them. Phone intercession, something like that, Abi. Let somebody, if you know the name, write it out, please. Because he gets some precedent that time where they discuss about, oh, Raf, good evening. Good evening, my brother. Oh, Wayawa Bota. Are you ready? I got here. Vegani. My me phone intercessions, you know. It was a crime now. It was a kind of crime where the council they won't carry some precedents. Go court that time. Without you did not programming the recording app, it cannot record while you are making call. Okay, oh. But nevertheless, it's a very bad thing. Because even the person where you say you want to play a record, now people go come shame pass. Now you people go shame pass. So I don't see as I deal with that scammer that day. Because you were record person. Now you do pass. Now you do pass. No matter what you will play out to say that thing where that person talk for that recording. Because that person don't know say you the record that. You know. Into as you they make into for see they do like that now. So you know good, and that person give you in trust to open up to you as a friend. As a friend. Okay, I know I just say wait, yes, it's a crime. Because I remember I had something like that when all this presidential these things issues somewhere where they call the say na phone intercession. I believe so. It's a crime. Oh, somebody can even sue you for this. When you meet some wicked people, what thing you want to talk, say that person talk. I beg go, that person they are fault, man. That person they are fault. So it's not good to record. I beg, may we stop him. All right. May we stop him more. Upon everything we full Facebook, full YouTube. You not consider the one way you want to do. Now to go to find app of recording people. That's very bad. Well, I say, thank you all so much. God bless you. God bless you, my brother Raf. Thank you. Thank you all so much. Bye.